Hi, I'm Ralph. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making chicken caprese casserole. Now, this is a super simple version of an Italian dish, and it goes together in about 5 minutes. Very quick cooking time. Right now, I've got the oven preheated to 375 degrees, and you're going to see in just a moment how quick this goes together. I'm using a 9x9 baking dish. The recipe actually calls for a 9x13, but I've only got 2 chicken breasts. A 9x13 would accommodate at least 3 comfortably, and since I only have 2, I'm using the 9x9. But everything else is basically going to be the same. Now to that, I'm adding 1 cup of minute rice. To that, 1 cup of chicken bouillon, a generous helping of garlic, minced garlic, some Italian seasonings. I'm going to be blending that all together, spreading it out. To that, I'm going to be adding some baby tomatoes. Just kind of scatter those about. Now, if you're using a 9x13, maybe you'll use a few more tomatoes, but that's going to be about the only difference between the recipes here. To that, I'm adding the thinly cut chicken breast. Wash my hands quickly before proceeding. On top of the chicken, more Italian seasoning. Now, if you don't have Italian seasoning, you might be using some poultry seasoning. Gonna be covering this. We're gonna put it into the oven for 35 minutes. At that point, we're gonna be pulling it out and finishing it off. Right now, into the oven. Be back shortly. Okay, I just took it out of the oven, uncovered it. Looking pretty good. The rice is kind of fluffing up. Time for the next phase. Next, we put a thin layer of shredded mozzarella across the top. It doesn't have to be heavy. It's not a pizza. That should be pretty good right there. Next, I have some buffalo mozzarella. Put a couple of those on each of the fillets. Try some of that. Oh yeah, really good. I have fresh basil plant that I cut some of the leaves off, washed them up. Gonna be putting those on here as well, adding a little garnishment. Almost forgot. Some balsamic. Back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Uncovered. In we go. Timer set. Be back in a minute. Here we go. This is looking terrific. So terrific, you have to check this out. That is what it's looking like right now. I'm going to give this just a second to cool down just a little bit, then we're going to give it a taste. In the meantime, if you're liking the video, hit that like button down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're commenting from. I love the comments. I love to see where people are commenting from. If you're, on a mobile device, consider hitting that hype button. And please consider giving me a subscription. I am really trying to get to that 100,000 subscriber point, and I need your help. So how's this taste? It still hasn't had a whole lot of time to cool down. I'm probably gonna burn the dookies out of my mouth here, but let's give this a shot. Let me get some of that rice here first. Make sure I got some of that balsamic on it. Very good. Now the part on the top, it's a little crunchy, I'll tell you. Let me cut off a little piece of the chicken. That's very tasty, y'all. Quick, it's easy, it's good, and you're gonna love it. With that said, I will catch y'all next time. Bye-bye.